Okay, so we're going to do a test today. I am going to import an existing video into Screenflow, and I'll cut it into a little bit smaller, and then I will export it. And I'll do some explorations along the way. I'm here on a second monitor, so I'll look to the side on occasion here. So we are recording this screen here. Okay, so I will start opening Screenflow. And let's see if we can, okay, we'll do a open. And I will then go to selfie videos here that I have in my media folder. And this is selfie videos, and I will then use, okay, so we're gonna first have to import, no, new document. I will have to open up a new document like this. And let's see here. We have then the new document. I have then the file I want to use. I'll just drag and drop it in here into media library. As you see, I could not drop it in here. I'm doing some explorations because it's been a while since I've done this. So you'll be seeing some of my mistakes along the way as I do this. So I dragged it into the media library in Screenflow. The media library is on this side here. And see, this is then automatically activated, the media library here. So drag it in here, be sure that this icon is active. And as you see, this is then, I've taken this from with my own cell phone. And this is then in portrait mode, standing mode. And I need to then turn this around. And that I can do by creating adding let's see here, adding some kind of rotation in here. You can do with video here, clicking rotation. Here's X, Y, and Z rotation. So I will have to rotate this. Is it 90? No. So that is then wrong. And let's do X rotation here. 90. Z rotation. Okay, so we got that correct then. You can see what happened with the X and the Y rotation. So I had then turned this around. So I used that by clicking the video icon here. This was active. Click the video icon, got this in correct layout position. And this is then how it starts. So this is basically a self-presentation. I do that on occasion for various casting, acting, and commercial jobs. So I want to look closer at this timeline. It's not that long, so this ends on 53 seconds here. I can just click around like so. I want to zoom in so I see more of the timeline. So let's say that I want to cut out a piece here. So I'm going to cut out where I actually speak Norwegian here. So I'll zoom in more. And so we're going to do a cut. And the clip here is then we add a cut that one does inside. And let's see, where do I do this again? I have to go to, I know the shortcut. Okay, we can do right click here instead. Right click and do split at playhead, and as you see, it's a T. And also somewhere up here there is also you can do that up here as well. Here's a split. So clip split, I can do that right here, then splits it. I will cut out the part. I will cut out. Okay, I'll just go into. Okay, we'll take that right here. I can press T, I can right click and do a split at playhead. This time I will press T. So I will just delete this part and I'll drag this over. So we can click basically anywhere here, at the end, beginning, and then just drag this to how we want it to be. So let's see how the transition between. So I've lived a bunch of years. Okay, it was a little bit jump there, but okay, let's just, for the sake of it, just leave it in. Here I can choose to hide what I see and just hear. I can just cut out the sound here or hide the sound. As you see, there's no bumps here. I've done muted. Yep. So if I wanted to speed it up, for instance, the whole timeline, I can right click, or no, actually here, you see the icon right here, show clip inspector. Here we can also split a clip head. There's a playhead. There's also another area to also split and show clip inspector. The reason why I'm bringing that up is that I can speed up the video, or I can speed it up like so. And now let's see what happens. So okay, so that means I can speed something up or slow it down. I will now put this back on 100%. Actually, when I think about this, you're not able to hear the sound because I forgot to basically turn on the sound here, and we'll find out in a moment. So the main point here is that we can clip it from where the playhead is, when puts it where exactly where it wants it, zooms in like so, puts playhead where it wants it, and either presses T, go up here and go to clip here, or right click. And I've done that. I then removed a part of the video. It's kind of like a jerky over here, but I'll just leave it as it is. That's fine. Okay, this is a nice look. I'll go here and go to File. I'll do Export. And I'll basically just call it whatever I want to call it. And let's call it Updated Video Presentation. And let's see here. 100% of this is 800 by 1200. So we'll just put it on like so, and I'll export, and it will take a few moments to do that. And when it is done, I can just look at it again. I can upload it to where I need it or send it to wherever I needed to have it sent to. So I will just do a cancel, and that's it.